got some beautiful new mugs that are spill-proof and that also support an organization that protects wildlife. These 3 mugs are made by Zaciwork. These are VENTI size cups that hold 750 milliliters or 25 ounces, and these are non-spill, anti-tip mugs. What's really unique about these cups is that they have a suction cup device on the bottom. As you can see right here. All you have to do is lift up and down easily, but don't tip. As you can see, this prevents it from any type of tipping. This would be great to prevent keyboard spills, coffee table spills, or spills on your paper. Me, a college student, I would love these, and I'm going to be very happy to use these in the future. Another thing I noticed about these is that they feel like high quality mugs. They are very well crafted and made of natural stoneware clay and non-toxic glaze. These are also Bpa-Free. So these also have really large handles. Just pick it up, move it around. It's a great size cup for any size drink. These are also dishwasher safe and freezer safe. I've never seen a mug that is freezer safe before. These can also be used for hot or cold beverages. Doesn't matter what you have, hot tea, iced tea, good. What I love about Zaciworks is that it donates a percentage of each sale to Wild Age, which is an organization whose mission is to end the illegal wildlife trade. You can see on the back there's writing, keep the wild animals in nature, or we keep their DNA in museums. Each cup says this on the back, and on the inside it says extinction is forever. These are just 3 of the options that Zaciworks offers. I have the shark, panda, and elephant. They also offer a rhino, a polar bear, a tiger, a gorilla, and others. They also make lots of other non-spill cups of other sizes and designs. Here we have the panda, which is gray-green. To me, it doesn't exactly look green, but you never know. Here we have the elephant. They say it looks green as well, but I think it's more of like a blue-gray. And we have the pretty pink shark over here. Now, when you use the cup the first time, please make sure that you get the bottom suction ready. You do this about 7 or 10 times, and then place it down. And now you don't have to worry about anything tipping over. Like, I'm pressing really hard on these. And it's staying pretty well, you know. I'm very impressed. And all you have to do is pick it right up or put it right down and don't have to worry about it falling over. With purchasing one of these cups, you are helping the wildlife around you and in other areas, because wildlife trafficking is a multi-billion-dollar criminal industry. Alright, so I'm going to go and make a cup of tea. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you check the description section below for more information on these wonderful cups.